everyone, I'm Aaron Lim, an Estill mentor and course instructor with Estill Voice Training and also the very first EMCI in Singapore. Today I want to answer some of the more common questions I get about Estill Voice Training, what it is, why it matters, and how it can transform the way you use your voice. I'll also be sharing details about my upcoming Estill Voice Level 1 and 2 workshops.
What is Estill Voice Training?
Estill Voice Training, or EVT, is a voice model based on vocal anatomy and voice science. Think of it as a way to explore and train your voice safely by learning to isolate various individual structures within your voice production system. For example, your true vocal folds, your tongue, your larynx, your soft palate, and more.
Wow, voice science sounds difficult, is it?
It might sound complicated at first, but the truth is, once you understand what's going on when you sing or speak, everything becomes so much easier. Estill takes big, confusing concepts and breaks them into simple, practical steps. You don't need a science background or a degree in voice science. You just need curiosity and the willingness to play with your voice and try out new sounds.
Why is it so important to understand what's going on in my throat?
Because your voice is an instrument you can't see. It's not as straightforward as going to the gym to train your biceps or your legs. When it comes to voice, a lot of structures can't easily be seen or controlled. Without understanding what's going on, it's easy to create tension or establish unwanted bad habits without knowing it. And when you do understand what's actually happening, you gain control. You can reduce strain, avoid vocal injury, adjust your tone intentionally, and create sounds you want with confidence instead of guesswork.
How does Estill help in real-life singing?
The biggest benefit, of course, is clarity and reliability. When you know how each vocal structure works, in isolation and also in combination, you can then reproduce the sounds that you want. Belt, twang, soft sounds, or powerful tones. Especially on days when you need your voice to be at its best.
Can beginners learn Estill too?
Absolutely. Beginners often progress even faster with Estill Voice Training because you're learning clean, clear technique right from the start. The voice training is structured and easy to follow, making it perfect for both new singers and experienced performers looking to refine or expand their abilities.
Who is Estill Voice Training suitable for?
Anyone who uses their voice, singers, actors, voice teachers, choir conductors, public speakers, educators, content creators, speech therapists, or anyone who wants to understand their voice better. I'll be teaching an official Estill Voice Training Level 1 and 2 workshop. Level 1 covers the Estill figures for voice, the craft that will help you to isolate and control each vocal structure independently. Level 2 covers the 6 qualities in Estill and explores the applications of these qualities in songs, speaking, performing, and teaching. If you're looking for a science-based, practical, and empowering way to develop your voice, this is the best place to start.
So how do I sign up?
All the workshop details will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video and want more content about singing, voice science, and Estill Voice Training, feel free to subscribe and like this video and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you at my workshops very soon. Bye!